Welcome to the Scientific online classes. In the previous class, we were discussing the problems on statistics, the problems of the frequency distribution table. In this class, we will continue some more problems on the frequency distribution table. In this question, the value of pi up to 50 decimal places is given below, and it is given 3.14159265 so on up to 50 numbers they have given. The first question is make a frequency distribution table of the digits from 0 to 9 after the decimal point. Here 3.14 is there now. After this decimal point, 50 numbers they have given there, 50 digits. We should make frequency distribution table of these 50 digits. Second question, what are the most and the least frequently occurring digits? Now first one is we should make a frequency distribution table. Here we should draw the three columns. First column is the 0 to 9 digits. Second column is the frequency tally marks. Third column is the frequency, whatever you have got in the tally marks. First, let us write the tally marks. 1 is here. 4 1 5 4 1 5 9 2 6 9 2 6 5 3 5 5 3 5 8 9 7 9 8 9 7 9 3 2 3 8 3 2 3 8 next 4 6 2 4 6 2 6 4 3 3 6 4 3 3 8 3 2 7 8 3 2 7 9 5 0 2 9 5 0 2 8 8 4 1 8 8 4 1 9 7 1 6 9 7 1 6 9 3 9 9 9 3 9 9 next 3 7 5 1 0 3 7 5 1 0 1 0 next. Now let us count the tally marks and write in the frequency column. First zeros are 2 zeros are there, 2s are 5, 3s are 5 plus 3 8, 4s are 4 times and 5s are 5 times, 6 is 4 times, 7 is 4 times, 8 is 5 times, 9 is 8 times. Total if we add all these numbers, we must get total equal to 50 because 50 digits they have given. Now what is second? This is a frequency distribution table. This is frequency distribution table. In this table, this is frequency distribution table. Here, second question is what are the most and least frequently occurring digits? Observe this frequency column. Most occurring digit. Here 8 is repeated most and this one 8 is 3 is repeated most and 9 is repeated most. 3 is repeated 8 times, 9 is also repeated 8 times. Therefore, most occurring digits are 3 and 8. Second question, 3 and 8. 3 and 8 are most occurring digits, and least frequently occurring digits. Here, least frequently occurring digits is 0. 0 has the least frequency, therefore 0 is least frequently occurring digits. Least frequently occurring digit. Now, let us go for the next question. This question is also about the writing the frequency distribution table. Now, let us read this. 30 children were asked about the number of hours they watched television programs in the previous week. The results were found as follows. Total 30 children were asked about the number of hours they were watching television. In this one, the numbers given are 1, 6, 2, 3 and so on. So 30 numbers they are given here. First question is, make a grouped frequency distribution table for this data. And second question is, how many children watch television for 15 or more hours a week? First question is, draw the frequency distribution table. First column is number of hours, taking the class intervals 0 to 5 hours and 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20. The least number is 1, highest number is 15 here. Highest number is 17. That's why we are taking the class interval up to 15 to 20. Now let us count the number of hours. First one is 1. 1 is between 0 to 5. 6. 6 is between 5 to 10. 2. 2 is between 0 to 5. 3. 3 is between 0 to 5. 5. 5 is between 5 to 10. 12. 12 is between 10 to 15. 5. 5 is between 10 to 5 to 10. 8. 4. 8. 4. 8. 10. 8. 10. 3. 4. 3. 4. 12. 2. 12. 2. And 8. 15. 8. 15. 1. 17. 1. 17. 6. 3. 6. 3. 2. 8. 2. 8. 5. 9. 5. 9. 6. 8. 6. 8. 7. 14. 7. 14. Next one is 12. 12 in this row. Okay. Now count these tally marks and write in the frequency column. What is here? 0 to 5 hours. How many students are watching? 5 plus 5. 10 students are watching the 0 to 5 hours. Next one is 5 to 10 hours. How many students are watching? 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 3, 13. Next, total 10 to 15 hours, how many students are watching? 5 students are watching, 10 to 15. And 15 to 20 hours, how many students are watching? 15 to 20, only 2 hours, 2 students are watching. These are number of the students, number of children watching television. Total students are here 30 children. Therefore, total must be 30. This is frequency distribution of the children watching the television. This is tally marks. We are counting the numbers and writing tally marks and frequency. How many tally marks we have written? We should count and write the frequency. Total 30 children are there. Therefore, total sum of all the frequencies must be 30. Second question is, how many children watch television for 15 or more hours a week? Two children watch 15 or more hours a week. Two children watch TV 15 or more hours a week. 15 or more hours a week. Now let us go for the next question. In this question, a company manufactures car batteries of particular type. This lives of 40 such batteries, the lives of 40 such batteries were recorded as follows: 2.6, 3.5, 2.5, 3.5, 4.6, 3.0, 2.3, 4.4, so on up to total 40 such batteries they have written. In this one, first column for the construct a grouped frequency distribution table for this data. To construct a frequency distribution table, first column we should write the life of batteries, that is class interval. Next column is tally marks. Next column is frequency. Here we have taken the class size as 0.5. We have taken class size as 0.5. 2.0 to 2.5, 2.5 to 3.0, 3.0 to 3.5, 3.5 to 4.0, 4.0 to 4.5, 4.5 to 5.0 in years. Now, first let us see the data given here. 2.6. This data is in the group 2.5 to 3. Next is 3.5. 3.5 will appear in this group. Next, 2.5. 2.5 will appear in this group. Next, 3.5. 3.5 it will appear in this group. Next, 4.6. 4.6 is in this group. Next, 3.0. 3.0 is here. Next, 2.3. 2.3 in the first group. 4.4. 4.4 is in this group. 3.2. 3.2 here. 3.8. 3.8 is in this group. Next, 3.7. 3.7 in this group. 3.2. 3.2 is in this group, in this interval. 3.4. 3.4 is in this interval. 3.9. 3.9 is in this interval. 3.2. 3.2 is here. 3.4 again. 3.2. 3.4. 3.4. 3.3. 3.3. 3.4. 3.2, same interval, 2.6, 2.6, second interval, next 2.2, 2.2 in the first interval, 2.2, next 3.8, 3.8 in this interval, 2.9, 2.9 the second interval, 3.2, 3.2 this interval, 3.5, 3.5 in this interval, 4.1, 4.1 is here, 3.2, 3.2 is here, 3.0, 3.0 is in this interval, 3.1, 3.1 in this interval, 4.2, 4.2 is here, 3.5, 3.5 in this interval, 4.6, 4.6 is here, 4.3, 4.3 in this interval, 3.7, 3.7 is in this interval, 2.9, 2.9 is here, 2.9, next 4.5, 4.5 is in last interval, 3.7, 3.7 is in this interval, 2.8, 2.8 is here, 3.4, 3.4 in this interval, 3.6, 3.6 in this interval. Now count all these numbers. In these numbers, first group is 2, next column group is frequency, this one is 6 tally marks are there, 6 tally marks, next one is 14, next one is 11, next one is 4 are there, next one is 3 are there, total how many they have given there? 40 such batteries they have given there, 40 batteries. Therefore, in this one, this is a construct a grouped frequency distribution table. This is a grouped frequency distribution table for the given data. Next concept is the graphical representation of the data. In the previous class, you have studied about the graphical representation. That one picture is better than 1,000 words. Therefore, pictorial representation is very easy to understand and can clearly analyze the data given. In the graph, we have y-axis and x-axis. Horizontal line is called x-axis. Vertical line is called y-axis. In this one, in previous class also we have studied about the graphs. Here there are 3 types of graphical representation of the data. First one is bar graph. Second one is histogram. And third one is frequency polygon. In the previous class also, we have studied about the bar graph. In the bar graph, one bars are drawn with equal weight. Bars are drawn with equal weights on the x-axis. The gap between the bars must be equal to each other, and this should have equal width of the graph should be there, and they are drawn along the x-axis. Whatever the data values of data are given, they are written on y-axis. Now, for histogram means the gap will not be there. If the numbers are given with continuous values, then if the class interval are continuous, then we will draw histogram. That will be like this. First, the width will not be there, like this. These are histograms. The gap between the bars will not be there. For continuous data, we use histogram. For separate data, group data, we use the bar graph. And the next one is frequency polygon. If we join the midpoints of this, histogram, then we will get a frequency polygon graph. These are three types of graphs. Let us study in detail with the help of some examples. Now, let us study one question on the graph only, this one. Exercise 14.3, the first one. A survey conducted by an organization for the cause of illness and death among the women between the ages 15 to 44 years worldwide found the following figures in percentage. These are the causes of illness and deaths, and this is the female fatality rate or death rate given here. Reproductive health conditions, 31 to 31.8% of the women are getting ill and dying there, and neuropsychiatric conditions 25.4%, injuries 12.4%, cardiovascular conditions 4.3%, respiratory conditions 4.1%, other causes 52% of the women are getting ill and dying. Represent the information graphically. And the second question is, which condition is a major cause of women's ill health and death worldwide? For this, we should draw the graph of this given data. X-axis, we take the causes of death, and y-axis we can take the female fatality rate. Here, the lowest value is 4.3, 4.1. 4.1 is the lowest value. The highest value is 31. Now, x-axis, the causes of illness and death. Y-axis, the fatality rate we are taking up. First, reproductive health you can take R. And y-axis, you are taking the percentage 10, 20 or 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, so on, etc. Next one is here. First one, the reproductive health conditions. 31.8% is there. 31.8 here almost. And draw this one. Draw a bar graph. We are drawing a bar graph. 31.8. Second one is neuropsychiatric conditions. Listen here. Take it as N. Neuropsychiatric conditions 25.4% is there. 25.4. 25.4 in between 20 and 30. 25.4. Draw a bar graph. Next, what is here? Cardiovascular conditions. You can see cardiovascular conditions 4.3%. This is a 4.3%. Next, respiratory conditions. Respiratory conditions in this one, take it as R. How much is 4.1% is there. 4.1%. Next, other causes are 22%. Other causes are 22% here nearly 22%. Other causes you take it as O 22%. This is bar graph. You can shape this bars in any design here. To make it look very beautifully, we are shading the graph. Now, next question is, which condition is a major cause of the women's ill health and death worldwide? Here, observe this graph, which is the highest value. That is the major cause. In this graph, if you observe this one, reproductive health conditions. Reproductive health conditions is 31.8%. That is the major cause of women's ill health and death worldwide. Now, by observing this graph, you can easily understand the given data, and it is a pictorial representation of the given data.